Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create abstract cover background in Adobe Photoshop. Gradient tool shortcut G. Click on gradient editor. Double click on color stop to edit or change color. Left side R255 G0 B0. Right side R0 G173 B239. Draw gradient vertically using with gradient tool. Make new layer. Click on gradient editor. Double click on color stop to edit or change color. Left side R0 G246 B255. Right side R255 G0 B228. Draw gradient diagonally using with gradient tool. Bring layer 1 to front layer. Eraser tool shortcut E. Opacity 86% and flow 54%. Erase some portion of the background using with erase tool. Make layers to flatten image. Go to image menu and adjust and posterize. Levels 17. Go to image menu and adjustment and HDR toning. Radius 1 pixel, strength 0.59, highlight 32. Again go to image menu and adjustment and curves. Shortcut Ctrl M. Output 131 and input 84. Finally, your abstract covered background design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create texture background design in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.